Is the UK in a strategic location for your e-commerce store? Do you need a trusted local partner who can manage your operational needs while saving you time, effort, and money? DSD Fulfillment offers tailored fulfillment solutions to provide storage, pick, pack, and delivery across the UK and beyond. For Amazon sellers, we offer FBA prep services, saving you heavy logistical expenses so you can focus on growing your sales. With no setup fees and the lowest service charges on the market, we ensure that you don't pay a penny until you start making sales. DSD Fulfillment seamlessly integrates with all major e-commerce platforms and partners with the most trusted courier companies to deliver your products securely and on time. You can access all of this info in detail by using our online client portal. Contact us for a custom quote, or alternatively, send us a competitor quote that we can try to beat by learning more about your specific needs and creating an affordable solution.